guys. Looking. I need to turn off this, whatever it's called, music. So, yeah. I made 2 Iron Man suits. One of them doesn't work that well. This one's the first one. This one's the best one you can use. First off, you want to launch. That's kind of what you can do with this. I want to flip this a little bit. If you are busy or something, if you don't want anyone coming in, you just do that. You standby mode. Nobody will know how to get in it. Unless if you or me. And it opens this up. And then see the home. See this? It's glass. Just do that. And if you want to buy this robot and build in boats, you can press that standby mode, and then you'll be always protected because you know the first one of the weapon is right here. Press it again, take it in. I'm going to show you what inside does it look like. What does it look like inside? This is what it looks like. And it looks like this when it stops. That's why I never go in first person. Because that can happen, and I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you how I built this. This right here is like a off in like security mode. Just in case if somebody tries to, remote. Okay, so the thing that makes this whole thing bling is by this. You disarm that. That right there is pure glass, but all right here is all the things what you saw, but without the visibility, and these are all like, you can walk through them and stuff, that makes sense. And look. standby mode still works. But this one looks like the standby mode without any invisibility. So I'm going to pick up a notch. I'm going to make it see-through. Make it not see-through. And I will make it the normal thing. Okay, let's do this. Boom. 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 And that's perfect. I'm going to mess with this so much. You probably don't know how many times I'm going to mess with this. Now it's everything. I'm just going to mess with it. Standby mode on. Yeah, it did not look right. But now I'm going to break it. You know the pistons are very touchy if you put them at a certain level. That means I'm going to break it without the see-through one, or with the see-through one. Break it. Don't worry, I can still get it back. Go save. Where? Piston speeds. Pistons. I'm trying to find pistons. Piston speed, pilot seat speed, jet default, piston length. I'm gonna mess with this so bad. I'm gonna go to the max level. Max level is 8. Oh my god. I think I broke it. Hey. That's what it looks like without me breaking it halfway. That is cool. Look. Standby mode is still a thing. Look at that! It like switched. It switched to backwards. I don't know how I'm going to fix this, but don't worry. There we go. Fixed it. It does look cool though. Very cool. I think I should do that. It looks so cool when it messed with. Look. And you can still go in it. Look. This is where you're going. And then it's like that. Awesome. Okay, we're going to this. I think I should do that. That is definitely going to be the next one. So, I'm going to mess with it more. Make the speed all the way up. We can go up all the way to 10. Imagine how much damage this gun does. That was perfect speed. Boom. It's like, look. It just looks so cool. You can't blame me, okay? Ready? Ready? 3, 2. I'm going to just boom, boom. Boom, boom. Oh my god. So awesome. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. He's a cheater. I'm gonna just, there we go, boom, boom. This looks so awesome though. Imagine. I'm going to try it without. I'm going to try it with just tiny things. What if I just do it medium? The usual would be 5. That means I would put it at, I'm going to put it at 4 and see what happens. We're going to just do that. Does it just make it the big blob? It does. That'd be awesome to transform. Just like that. And you're stuck inside pretty much. Oh, I think I should do that. squish the other part of it. I don't know how bad I'm gonna make this go. I wanna find out. Transformed. What is a good? Whoa! I think I should try it with 6. Well, I know what 8 does. We can try it with 6 and check what 6 does. Whatever. 6. We're going to find out what 6 does to the machine. Look at that. Now we can restart. And I can show you all the things what I built. Starting with the old one. Starting with the bottom one. Private jet. The best jet in the world. The best jet in the world. What you can fly. What has passengers inside too. Watching TV. We're going to find out how much we earn after all these. Next up is invisible jet. Private jet. Invisible.
Yep, you're banned.
Next up, I don't know what this is, but we're trying it. It's a castle. This is gonna go far. There we go. Ah. Here we go. Hurry. I'll be right back. You guys have fun. The tablets are 80%. Emergency! Emergency! Okay, we have to come back in because the boat kicked on us. It's upside down, you see now. escape. No! Oh no! Oh. We just broke the barrier, guys. That was a lot. School bus. Who loves a school bus? But this is no more school bus. It's a school bus for more better way. Magic school bus. Did you see those ones before? Bus is breaking. Don't worry, we still have the Wayne. That's a school bus. Hopefully you have a great alien ship. We're almost to the newest one. What is this? Is there any invisible tricks on this? Or... oh, there is some invisible tricks. Don't worry, guys. I know the trick. That's it. Ba, ba, ba. I don't know why I called it wrong trick. I should have called it wrong trick. path. Path is like what does that look like? What is it? It's a trap. Wee baby. I don't know how far that went, but I did not try and. But I'm going to step on a pressure plate. If you don't know, there is a pressure plate. I'm not going to I already showed you all. But it's like a trap. Seats and stuff. It's a whole trap. That means supposed to happen. I don't know how far and why. Spaceship 2.0. Oh, come on. Gotcha. Okay, there you go. Don't worry, kid. That's all. That's it. Oh. We're almost there. The nuke. The nuke is a specially designed one. I spent days, years, decades doing this. We need to do it again, but without launching. That means if any person wants to mess with me or mess with my stuff, that means yeah. So this now is the second one. The second one is, I think I showed you the second one, I don't know. I found out a cool way. I mixed up different materials. Anyways, look. It can switch back into that. It's so weird when it switches back, because you can put it in that. It looks like that, and then you press that. It looks like that. Use it upside down. That one's a useless one. The better one is the Iron Man. The first one I ever built, and the best one I ever built. upgrade the speed. So. But right now, it's like a show off. But now, we're going to upgrade the speed to full potential. Full potential. Here we go. I'm kind of scared about this. Oh, this is some Iron Man stuff. Up. Oh. We open the seat. That means we're not safe because we are losing oxygen. We're closing the seat. There we go. We close the seat. Ah! We're taking over. No! Open two! We need eject right now. Eject! That right there is a suit. It just dies. That's what I've got, folks. Peace, capice. See ya later.